Scotty the Magic Eye over there found that. We do need to slam a grommy in there because that's not fucking safe. Anyway, but everything else is okay. We already knew about this. That's not the biggest of deals. Don't really need the bump stops. If you're bottoming out this car that hard, there's a problem. And the way these wheels are, it'll rip the fender off before it hits that anyway. So we're good. We're fine. So got to throw a grommy in there. No big deal. Now we're going to go pull the drive shaft out. All right, drive shaft is out. About ready to pull it out of the trans. And then we can get that rear seal out of there. Scotty's putting the idler arm just back, so if we have to move the car, it's okay.
And it's not a trans, it's a gender neutral, and in this car, neutral, gender neutral slush box.
Oh.
We don't want to offend
anybody.
Yeah.
This U-joint's a little chunky. Old school, man. Look, it's even got the little tab that goes across.
Oh, damn, yeah. And this one's been welded into place.
Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Oh, God, that's not good.
And, am I seeing that right? Yep, U-joint needs to be replaced. You can feel the...
Yeah. But
it's been welded.
Joey, we're gonna need a discussion here.
Right, can we turn it enough that he can see it?
Yeah.
Or can you come around to this side a little bit? This way he can actually see it.
There you go.
Yeah, you can see where it's been welded here, and then here.
This side's the same way.
Yep.
That's hokey. All right, well, we'll take a look at that here in a minute.
Are we ready?
Hey, you wanna pull out, Scotty? Are you gonna pull out?
Guess what? That's nice and smooth.
In the trans?
Yep, nice and smooth, which means we have differential issues. Ooh. Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ugh. Wait, do that again. Okay, hold on.
It's right here.
Yeah, but it's
in the gear.
Do that again for just a minute. No, we also have something going on that wheel. Because there's no noise at this axle at all.
No, I know. It's all in this side.
Yep.
It's that axle. Okay, so we'll get with Joey on that and take a look.
We should probably take this wheel off and at least get some video to show and to see so that there's something to kind of base it on completely.
Let's get this drive shaft out.
Yep.
And let's get that front shit done on the motor first, apart. And then we can come back here real quick, pull this, see what we got.
Yeah.
And then we'll go from there. All right. Wow. Well, that's probably why it's leaking. Look at that yoke. It's chewed to shit. So, I think we're going to need to get a yoke, too. Because feel that.
Yeah, but also...
Oh, my God. This whole drive shaft's a mess. Someone did not do good. We need to discuss this for sure. I wonder if my drive shaft guy's going to be open Saturday, because he's right around the corner from the racetrack, and I can go drop this off.
Okay.
If Joey wants to do that.
Yeah, because I mean, if we
do the whole damn...
I just want to show him real quick.
We can have him do the whole damn thing and be done with it. Yeah, that's...
You can hear it.
Yeah.
Because it gets super stiff.
Yeah, and then it's...
And then there's tons of play right there. Stiff.
Yeah. And now how's the front one? Just for S&Gs.
It
looser.
Dude.
Like my ex.
Yes.
Sloppy.
Yes. Actually, a pencil down a hallway would be a little more appropriate.
Ooh, that's
Yeah.
more space than a hot dog.
This is true, but you know.
That yoke is fucked.
Oh yeah, it's fried.
That's definitely adding to our leak. I
Yep.
mean, the seal's gotten eaten by that. But see, some of these things you find out after, you do your inspection, like, oh, it's going to need a seal, it's going to need this. you know, we don't want to rip a car down in an inspection if it's getting, you know, coming and going in the same afternoon. So this is alarming.
Me being honest, I don't feel comfortable with the differential.
Yeah, we're gonna need to. I'll check that a little later today. We might, because we're so overloaded with cars here. We got to figure out what we're gonna do. We might have to have Joey AAA at home and bring it back,
or it stays on the lift. Oh no, we can't because we got to get that out.
That's got to go out because
that's got to leave when.
I got to load it Thursday. And
okay, so could we
drive shaft? There's no way in hell it's going to get made in time if it's got to be made. Because usually he'll just see this and go, "I'm making a whole new one." Fuck it.
Right. So now my next guess is,
I gotta
call him before we get a hold of Joey and say, hey, how quickly can you get me if I drop a drive shaft off for a 65 Mustang?
Yeah.
How quickly can you make one? In, out, and done. Like, this is an emergency deal.
Probably a couple days, because he's really slammed always.
Okay, so no matter what, we're looking at days.
Like, shortening mine for my car, it was 3 days, and it was only cut 7 inches out of it. But it was 3 days, because he is so behind.
Right.
Because he does...
Okay, so we have to leave this rollable, if nothing else.
Yeah, and as it sits right now, it's rollable.
Okay, so if we just got to put the 2 nuts up on front.
Yeah, that's easy.
Okay, so we'll put the 2 nuts up on front.
We got to finish the front of our motor.
We'll pick we'll clean up underneath real quick, just because, sorry, if we keep ourselves in the habit of it, it'll happen.
Yeah, so...
And then lower this down, do the front of the motor, get timing chain pictures, go back up, get this wheel
off so we can check
and see what we can check.
But
before we do that, get a hold of Joey and see if he wants us to even attempt to do this.
okay.
So this way we know, okay, nope, we're not doing this right now before we even invest any time in it.
Yeah.
Keep the customer happy by not spending their money that they don't need to yet.
Well,
And go, okay, you're driving, you're safe, just be...
they need to.
Yeah, just be kind of careful for the moment. Let us get 1 or 2 cars out, bring it back, and then we can finish off the...
Yeah, we'll
the
go
back
over
end.
it. So let's get this uploaded. Let's clean this up quick, and we'll get the front apart and go from there.